Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake.
And this is Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Today, you'll learn simple English so you can talk about shopping.
And why Jake should never, ever be allowed near online shopping apps.
Come on, give me a break. I made just a single questionable purchase. Actually, it was only you who thought it was questionable. I didn't think it was. And hey, it was on sale.
You ordered a 6-year subscription to the Rubber Duck of the Month Club. What even is that?
It's a different collector's edition squeaky duck every single month. That comes out to 72 ducks. I mean, just imagine the possibilities.
No, I cannot possibly imagine why you'd need even one rubber duck, let alone 72 of them.
What can I say? It works for me.
Shopping means buying things, like clothes, groceries, or pretty much anything. And you can either shop at the store or take care of all your shopping online.
And sometimes you buy things you don't need, but really, really want.
That explains your 72 squeaky duck friends.
If you see one you like, I just might be willing to share.
Let's get back to the real world and start with shopping for clothes. When you shop for clothes in a store, you can try on shirts, pants, or shoes to see if they fit. Online, well, you just hope for the best.
I always just buy the exact same size. Couldn't get easier.
So, does that explain why most of your pants are way too long and half your shirts don't seem to fit?
Maybe my shirt shrunk in the wash. You don't know.
Well, I do know you can't make your pants too long by shrinking them in the wash.
That's a technicality.
Now, let's talk about shopping for groceries. Grocery shopping means buying food, like meat, vegetables, fruit, bread, and snacks.
Grocery stores are dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes,
How's that?
I walk in for milk and walk out with cookies, chips, and 5 frozen pizzas.
That's not dangerous. That's just you.
True.
It's not easy being me.
Like we mentioned before, a lot of people take care of their shopping online these days. You add things to your shopping cart, pay at the checkout, and wait for delivery.
Yeah, it's super easy, and you can buy pretty much whatever you're looking for.
Like 72 rubber ducks? Or maybe a bunch of clothes that don't fit?
Yes, like 72 rubber ducks, or maybe a bunch of clothes that don't fit.
Sometimes you need to return something. Like maybe it just wasn't what you expected, or you decided you didn't really want it after all.
But will they let you return clothes even after you shrunk them? Or will they give you your money back after you've already played with the ducks?
Your situation is definitely pretty unique. So I'm gonna go with probably not.
Ha! Didn't think so.
Let's review some useful English phrases from today.
First, try on, to put on clothes to see if they fit.
Second, checkout, the place where you pay for your items.
Third, shopping cart, the place online where you save items before you buy. Or, if you're in the store, it's that basket you push around with all your stuff in it.
Fourth, on sale, when something is temporarily marked down, so it costs less than usual.
And fifth, return, to take something back to the store or send it back to the online seller to get your money back.
Repeat after me. I want to try on this shirt.
I want to try on this shirt.
Now try, this item is on sale.
This item is on sale.
And finally, I need to return this.
I need to return this.
That sounds about right. Today we talked about shopping, clothes, groceries, online shopping, and returns.
And we learned useful words like try on, checkout, shopping cart, on sale, and return.
Nice job following along. Now you can talk about shopping in clear, natural English.
And remember, always check the size before you buy.
Especially if your name is Jake.
Very funny.
Thanks for listening,
Keep practicing your English. You're getting better every time.
and we'll see you in the next episode.
In the meantime, don't knock the Rubber Duck of the Month Club until you've tried it. Life-changing.
Oh, brother.